PhongVLG back at it again with another YouTube video. And I know you guys are as excited as I am because we're officially on the dyno. Everybody has been asking me, what numbers do I make? Today, we're gonna find out.
Can't keep me down, lost my thoughts, feel like I could drown. No, no, can't have it now, buried so deep I'm below the ground. I go where I hear the sound, all on my own, I can feel it now. Unknown, so my heart pounds, cause I don't understand what happens now. Oh no, I'd rest in peace, leave behind a lesser me, working hard to better me, looking back I'll never be. Let's go, recklessly, fighting to forget it's me. I feel inside it's best for me, just looking for the
Alright, so we are here actually with the crew. We got Sergio, we got Lewis, we got Angel, we got Kevster, we got the boy Michael, we got Chris, and then we got Mr. Oh So Sick himself and Daniel. And they're in business right now. Well, we finally have the SI here on the dyno, as you guys can see. We'll get a few clips. You guys already heard the beautiful tone in the beginning, and I'm pretty excited to finally get this thing dialed in. It has been a minute. We've been in the shop quite a bit, getting the transmission finally built, and then throwing on the Garrett 2860R. And again, guys, keep in mind this is on a stock fuel system, so we're gonna see what we can max out, at least on the stock fuel, and then we'll proceed on to getting secondary fuel and running even more power after that. But I'm just excited to get this at least dialed in and finally be running it on the streets. So to keep you guys most up to date right now, we're actually just baselining the car, so we're just doing the beginning. Since this is a whole new turbo kit, we want to start from the beginning, so we're on 91, and then we're going to start adding some E and see where we cap out on that fuel limit. I'm pretty sure this turbo is maxed out at about E30, I believe, on the stock fuel system, so we're going to see what we got going, and just doing the baselines right now, nothing too crazy. So we finally put some ethanol in, as you guys see, and we're gonna get like around E30, E40 and see what we can produce, but these will be the numbers right here on the stock fuel system. And then on top of that, we're gonna gap this forward here.
You see how he turned it so fast? Do you see how fast he turned it?
Hey, professional vlogger, bro. All right. What do we got? What do we got, Lewis?
Same shit.
Ooh, same shit, different day. What is it? Oh, V.C.D build. I like that, but that's not what we came here for. What do we come here for? Ooh.
A messy car.
I see a little peak, those sparkles. It actually looks really good, dude. Oh man.
It's a little dirty. We were moving today at the shop, so.
I feel it. Damn, that looks really good. Let me sit in it. Let me see. Is it pretty tight?
Yeah.
Can I fit? Is it Phong size?
It's not Phong size.
It's not Phong size?
No, it's.
I get it. I'm a what? I'm a wolf?
Yeah, you're a wolf.
All right. God damn, bro. This is just like Vader SI seat all over again, bro. Ooh, look at that snug.
It's snug, baby.
Hella.
Yeah.
Just puts me in. Dang, that low-key kind of uncomfortable a little bit. Ah. Dang it, man. Vader. Oh man. Ooh, actually, this is nice. I mean, it's definitely not Phong size, but this is nice. It's actually better than when Vader had the fucking brides. Yeah. His were super tight. I mean, this is still tight.
I really don't like brides, but I mean, I think sparklers are nice.
No, sparklers are really nice. I like these. These are super fresh.
I just gotta finish putting the bar in, and then.
Yeah, they're pretty solid.
Can you sign my dashboard?
Hmm?
Can you sign my dashboard?
Oh, you want me to sign your?
No, I don't want to sign.
Fucking guy. Yeah, these are solid, man. I like these. I like these a lot. What do you guys think? These are fresh? Let me know in the comment section below. Whoo!
They're trash.
This guy, Mr. V.C.D Racing, guys. I know I actually got a few. Oh, I can't even make me hold the camera and try and get out. Just mission to get out of seats like that. So actually a few people were actually commenting too and wondering whose car this was. So if you guys don't know, yeah, it's Mr. V.C.D Racing right here, guys. Oh, right there, the white with the carbon.
We did a debut or what?
Debut. I showed them the engine. We popped the hood last time in the last vlog, but hey, if you want to pop it again.
Oh, they already saw it?
Yeah, hey, pop it again. Oh. I don't think I got a good look at it. Again, he's running the 2867R. So he's also on the PRL Turbo Kit too. Fast boys. But his looks a lot prettier.
Put a lot more time into it.
Just a little overview for you guys.
Just can't see it in the fucking dark.
No, the camera actually captures it pretty good, so you're straight. Yeah, don't worry. You'll see it in the vlog. Here. What do we get so far?
No, can't keep me down. Lost my thoughts when I got drowned. No, can't have it now. Buried so deep, I'm below the ground. I go where I hear the sound. All on my own, I can feel it now. One no, so my heart pounds, cause I don't understand what happens. I'm blessed in peace, leave behind a lesser me. Working hard to better me. Looking back, I'll never be. Let's go recklessly, fighting to forget it's me. I feel inside it's festering, but I just wanna get the one that let me down. I'm looking at myself right now. The mirror nearly breaks itself. I'm screaming out 'cause I need
Alright guys, so before we end today's video, we had to do it in the garage here with the beautiful SI. And I really just want to thank you guys. I mean, it's crazy. We're here. We dialed her in. She's tuned officially. And we finally got some final numbers for you guys. So thank you guys for the continued support. If you're new here, click that subscribe button, click the like button, and go ahead and share the video, please. And the biggest thing for me is just comment below. I love your guys' comments and I love to reply to them. So go ahead and comment below, guys. But we are officially here. Car is dialed in. Got the beautiful Garrett. And we finally produced those numbers. So if you haven't seen the numbers, if you end up trying to skip through the video, yes, we produced 350 to the wheels and 351 torque. I'm pretty satisfied. Those were some great numbers. Comparing it to my Pure, the Pure actually made a tad bit more. But to be quite honest with you, numbers are numbers. And this actually feels faster, as expected. But that is where we're at right now, guys. In order for us to proceed to the next step, which is actually pushing for 450, 500, we will have to upgrade the fuel system. Some people opt and do meth. I don't want to do meth because it's very corrosive, but I'm trying to figure out a way later in the future here soon, hopefully, we'll see, to upgrade the fuel system and get us to hopefully 500. That is the goal. That is probably the last thing that we need on this build right now. Everything else is pretty good. We got a fully built engine, we got a fully built trans, and on top of that, we've already swapped over to the Garrett Turbo finally with the PRL Big Turbo Kit. So, oh, actually, and on top of that, we got the Honda 4-bar sensors. So if you guys don't know, the 4-bar sensors actually allow us to surpass 31 PSI because the stock 4 bars will only let you go to up to 31. They won't let you pass that. Those will let you exceed that. So yeah, we've practically got this whole thing set up, ready to go for more power, but we just can't reach it with that stock fuel system. So that will be the next thing. I know you guys are probably wondering, dang, those are the only numbers. Trust me, those numbers are enough so far, and it feels a lot faster than it really sees. So I'm just happy that we're dialed in. I'm happy that we're basically back on the road and back to doing some more exciting content. So those are the official numbers, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. There's a lot more to come here. And on top of that, if you're new to the channel, again, click that subscribe button and follow me here at PhongVLG if you guys would like to see some more up-to-date news on the SI, because usually all of my stuff will hit Instagram way before it will hit YouTube. So make sure to follow my Instagram to be the most up-to-date. Now I'll see you guys next week. I have another exciting video that I got planned, and I'm pretty excited for that one because it's doing something a little different that I've never really done. I mean, I've kind of done this, but not to this extent. So I hope you guys enjoy this little difference in the next vlog. As always, guys, keep grinding, stay humble, and you already know, yeah, that. I'll see you guys next week, and as always, I was about to say keep grinding, stay humble. I already said that. All right, see you guys.